What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over Gala games. Conversing at 0.02603. We're down 1.2 on the day. Seeing market cap 716 million. 24-hour volume 61 million. So it looks like BTC will go through an ABC correction, which means likely Gala will too. So we came down in a 5-wave move in an A, and now you'd look for a 3-wave move in a wave B, and potentially see a rejection in between 0.0294 and 0.033, and then come down in a wave C. And that wave C could take you down. You don't really want to break below the 78.6% fib level. So it could take you down to about 0.0177 in the wave C. Now this is one of our ongoing trades. We already locked in about 80% profit. So even if we come down to 0.0177, we will not get stopped out. The break-even stop loss at the entry should be able to continue to let the trade run. We're in 2 Gala trades right now. So what you're looking at here, nice impulse to the upside, come down, A, B, C correction, offer another entry opportunity on that pullback. Boom, see the continuation back to the upside in that big juicy wave 3. That's what I think is likely for our friend Gala Games. Allow the RSI to come all the way back down towards oversold and then see that bounce. Yeah, so that's basically it. The target to look for that pullback would be the 78.6 or the golden ratio, but usually the wave C is going to break below the wave A. So I would expect 0.0177, 0.0178, all the way up to about 0.020. Anywhere in this range here for the wave C, and then bounce back to the upside. So that's what happens. You have your impulse, you have your correction, you enter your trade on your correction to ride up the next impulse. The basics of Elliott wave theory. Currently we're in trades for Gala Games, VeChain, XRP. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to BitConnect. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange. Grab those bonuses. Email me after you make your first deposit. I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, crypto news, member profits, Forex signals, Forex analysis, all in one place. And my all plays completely for free with a sign up and deposit to BitConnect. Otherwise, it's $10 a month. Sign up to the Patreon link. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.